a frequently asked question na nakikita ko sa comment section ng mga YouTube videos natin is, pwede ba tong USB mic na to, kung ano mang USB mic yon, sa live sound card na to, kung ano mang live sound card yon? Ano ba ibig ko sabihin? So an example of a USB mic is this one. So ayan, kita nyo, USB yung connection niya. And yung cable na ginagamit niyan is this, USB cable. And the live sound cards, ano ba yung mga live sound cards? No, itong V8, one of the more popular na live sound card. And then you have other type, no, ito V8 Pro. This one is the V9X Pro. And then ito no, Mayono Caster Lite, no? These are all live sound cards. Now, sa mga live sound cards na yan, pwede ba tong USB mic na to sa kahit anong live sound cards na yan? And the answer to that is no. Hindi pwede ang USB mic, kung ano mang, or kahit ano pang USB mic yan, sa mga live sound cards. Now, you will ask why? Bakit hindi pwede? The reason is, itong mga USB mic, sa loob nito, merong analog to digital converter, no? So, yung ginagawa nun, as the name says, yung analog signal, i-convert niya to digital. Yung nilalabas na signal nito is digital signal. That's the reason why na pwede nyo itong i-connect ng direkta sa USB slot ng computer ninyo na ang tinatanggap lang sa USB slot are digital signal, no? So, that's the reason why. This one has digital output. Yung mga live sound card na pinakita ko, no, kanina, so an example is V8, ang input nito is analog signal. So may incompatibility na doon pa lang, no? This can output digital signal, this can only input analog signal. So that's the reason why hindi sila pwedeng gamitin together. Okay? So unfortunately, that's the answer to that question. Hindi pwede. However, there's a workaround, of course. One of the workarounds na pwede nyong gawin is mag-work lang to kapag yung USB mic ninyo is ganito. Merong parang monitoring capability. Nakikita yung headphone jack na yan. Yan, no? Yung lumalabas na signal dito is analog. Pwede nyo itong lagyan ng cable papunta sa input ng inyong mga live sound card, no? Doon sa nakalagay na from that, no? From here, sa jack na to, papunta dito sa nakalagay na microphone, no? Diyan yun na i-connect sa microphone ng inyong mga live sound cards. I actually made a video of that. Here's the link kung paano nyo gagawa ng workaround yung mga USB mic ninyo kung mayroong ganito para mapagana sa live sound card. But, uunahan ko na kayo, napakamasalimuot. As in, ang dami nyong gagawin para lang mag-work siya. So, sobrang hassle. The other workaround is kung talagang gusto nyo gamitin yung USB mic ninyo is kumuha kayo ng digital to analog converter. So sa loob nito may analog to digital. So kabitan nyo to ng digital to analog converter para analog signal na yung lalabas. Pwede nyo gamitin sa live sound card niyo. However, medyo may kamahalan yung device na yon. So I don't think it's worth it, no, to get to buy that just para lang mapagana niyo yung USB mic niyo. What I would suggest is just get a mic, no, na analog yung signal. So this one is one of the more popular ones na nakikita natin. For example, this BM800 is a mic that outputs analog signal, no? Yung cable niya is ganito. So, XLR to 3.5mm. Pwede yan sa kahit anong live sound card na pinakita ko kasi analog yung signal niya. Meron ding mga mic na hybrid, meaning meron siyang digital signal output saka analog signal output kasi it's both a USB mic and an XLR mic. An example of that is this Audio-Technica 2005 USB. Kung titignan yung ilalim, meron siyang XLR output para sa analog signal. Meron din siyang USB cable or USB output para sa digital signal. No? Meron siyang USB connection dyan. This another example of that is this mic, no? Itong Shure MV7. Pwede itong both XLR cable and USB cable as well. Alright, so to sum it up, kung anong pwede ba yung USB mic sa live sound card, the answer to that is no. But there's a workaround, pero masyadong hassle. Kung gusto niyo talagang gamitin yung live sound card nyo, might as well get a mic na hindi USB connection. Alright? Okay, so dyan na muna tayo. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you don't, give it a thumbs down. Kung meron pa rin kayong mga tanong, just put it in the comment section of this video. I'll try to answer them. And kung sakali mang hindi ko masagutan, I'll try to answer them. Alright? Okay, anyways, so diyan na muna tayo nagtatapos. I'll see you in the next videos. This is Kamotic Reviews. Peace out.